Today, we're making beef stew. This recipe comes to us from onceuponachef.com. Start with 3 pounds of boneless chuck. Cut that into 1.5-inch size pieces. Season that with 2 teaspoons of salt and a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. In a Dutch oven, you're going to add a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil, and in batches, you're going to brown your meat. Once you have all of your chuck browned, you're going to end up with a fond on the bottom of the pan. That's what you want. From there, to the pan, you're going to add 2 yellow onions that you've cut into 1-inch chunks, 7 to 10 cloves of garlic that you've peeled and smashed, and 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Give that a stir and break up all that fond on the bottom of the pan because fond is flavor. You can do like I did and add your carrots in now. However, I found this to be problematic and ended up picking them out later. From there, add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Give that a stir and cook that off for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Once all your vegetables are nice and soft and you've picked your carrots out that you added prematurely, add your beef and all of the juices from the beef back into the pan. Give that a stir. Now sprinkle over top your 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and stir that until the flour appears to have disappeared. Next, add 2 cups of red wine and 4 cups of beef broth. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 bay leaf. Cover and place in an oven preheated to 325 degrees for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove from the oven, uncover, and put your carrots and potatoes into the stew, stir, cover, and place back in your oven for another hour. This stew improves in flavor if made at least a day ahead. We took this in the pot as it sat, placed it in the refrigerator overnight, reheated it, and served it, and it was delicious. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. That really helps out our channel a lot. And don't forget, cook, eat, repeat.